Good morning. Months ago, a geocacher contacted me, said he was no longer able to maintain his geocaches, so he was going to archive a number of them. I believe 2 of them are still in the field, just a short walk from here. So I'm going to walk about a mile, check them out. If that sounds like fun to you, come join me. Starting our walk on a nice wheelchair accessible trail for about 3/10 of a mile. Pretty nice. All right, getting close. That little geo trail through here. So the description says it's 4 feet high. And it makes sense it would be here. And that would also make sense that the log gets sogged, but and he does not usually hang his geocaches. And about a third of the people said they found it on the ground. So let's take a look. There it is. All right, gonna be right back. All right, well, the container's actually in great shape, so crappy log out, good log in. Gonna add a path tag, and not gonna just pick this up. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the game board. So let's do that, and then we'll go check on the next one. All right, well, we're right here, and let's take a look. Oh yeah, rock in the crotch of a tree. I think we got it. I'll be right back. All right, pretty much the same thing. Cache container was in good shape, so just exchanged out the log, added a path tag, put the rock back, and we have a new geocache. So I do have to go ahead and just walk on back, but at this point I'm just going to tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.